Hi, this is James from the Hornbill technical support team, and this is a short tutorial to show you how to add some columns, search columns and result columns to your searching views. So here we've got the search for requests view. You can see there's a list of columns to the left hand side and also the result columns. These are the ones that we're going to add to and remove from. So this will actually apply for all versions of the Supportworks application and platform. So what I'm going to show you now is the actual data dictionary. So we're going to go into administration and then edit current data dictionary. Within here we have global parameters, so I'm going to expand that, and then views. We'll have then a search for calls view. So within here we can see two different parameters here for search columns and result columns. So you can literally just input and take away as many as you like from there, but bearing in mind that these columns listed here are all from the open call table, so you'll only be able to enter some columns purely from the open call table. If you have duplicates in there, that can cause problems, and also if you include column names from other tables, you'll also see errors. So if you have them, you'll see it come up. So you might want to just refer back to the out-of-the-box layout here or particular column lists. So let's test that just by let's add in a new search column under here for the search for requests, and let's remove one as well. So let's have a search for. So I don't think we have in here at the moment for, no we don't, for let's say first name, and let's say I want to take out a few, so let's take out resolved by. There we go. So I've added in first name and I've taken away resolved by. So I'm going to do a similar thing in here for the result columns. There we go. One thing I'm going to check is in the database schema editor in the open call table. Okay, you see what I've done there is I've presumed that a particular column is in the open call table where it is not, so we can see that cust name would be in there, cust underscore name, however first name is not, so that would have actually failed. So that's a good example of that. It's easy to do, enter in particular columns and they wouldn't appear correctly. So let's choose another one from within here instead of the first name. So let's choose site. Because I don't believe that's already in there. No. Okay. Okay, so I added in site into result columns, now in search columns. Site, there we go. So I'm going to save that. I'm just going to pause the video while it saves. Okay, now that's saved, so I'm just going to click on the OK button and refresh the data dictionary. And now let's go back to the search for requests view, and if we scroll down to the bottom here, we've now got site name. So that's now appeared, and resolved by hopefully is gone, which it has, because it was just above resolved by group there. And they'll obviously will appear based on how they were in the list as well. So these log from here below log end, log start down to the bottom, these won't change, these will always be there, so you can't actually amend them from the list. Site name was the last column that we can actually enter in a free text box in here. So let's open up a search and just make sure site has also appeared in our list here, which should be here somewhere. Site name, there you are. So slightly different there. It's appeared in a particular location, but what you can do is actually move these to wherever you like, and actually saves it into your registry, so you only need to do it once. If you happen to take it off the form, so let's say you drop it here, now it's gone, you can actually get these back by going into right click and then field chooser and just drag it right back in. So that's all around adding and removing columns around for the searching view. For other areas such as customers, it's going to be exactly the same. You may wish to view just the edit current data dictionary views, and just make sure you get to the location where you can actually add them in. Some areas will be around the database entity view. So you can see here for customers, organizations and configuration database, this is where they're held. It's slightly different in terms of a select box here where you just drag them across instead of typing in the names, which is slightly easier. So that's all for adding the columns. If you have any questions or queries, or even some enhancements on these videos, or any new videos that you wish to be created, please let us know.